Alpha Capital has been making waves in the trading community, promising a streamlined experience for both beginners and experienced traders. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's dig into what this platform offers and what you should know before diving in. Alpha Capital positions itself as a user-friendly trading platform that caters to a wide range of traders. It aims to simplify the trading process while providing essential tools and resources. The interface is designed to be intuitive, which is great for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. However, while the layout looks appealing, some features seem a bit underdeveloped. For instance, there's a focus on real-time market data, but I found the depth of analytics lacking compared to other platforms. The community aspect is interesting as they promote a network of traders sharing insights, but the engagement level feels inconsistent. If you're looking for a straightforward entry into trading, Alpha Capital might fit the bill, but for seasoned traders, the lack of advanced tools could be a deal breaker. Overall, it has potential, but there are areas that could use more clarity and improvement. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Alpha Capital's interface is clean and beginner-friendly, which is a huge plus for newcomers. They also offer decent educational resources which can help build your trading knowledge. However, there are some significant drawbacks. The lack of advanced analytical tools might frustrate experienced traders looking for deeper insights. Also, there's limited information regarding payout experiences, which raises some trust concerns. Transparency around fees and withdrawal processes also seems vague, making it hard to fully gauge the overall trading cost. If you're a beginner, you might find the platform adequate, but if you're looking for robust features, you may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Alpha Capital could be worth trying if you're just starting out in trading. However, if you're an experienced trader, you might find it lacking in essential features. Overall, the trust factor feels a bit shaky due to unclear information, so proceed with caution and consider your options carefully.